Okay, we are in a bus tour in Joplin, Missouri. I never got to see Gemini Giant.
We'll be there in a minute.
Yeah, getting. It's okay. 30 of them.
Hey, you did a great job backing in.
I know. I was
You
so
like
proud of me.
straight as an arrow.
Did you hear me screaming?
You're straight as an arrow. Sharon goes,
How many
"Look."
children do you have?
3.
Okay, that's why the
Sorry.
anyone who does that has children.
Yeah. Well, I was distracting you.
You did the seat
If I
maneuver.
was distracting you,
Oh
and you
no,
got ran
you
over,
did
I
the
would feel
seat
bad.
maneuver, the hand out.
Is he protecting
I
you?
gave
from
it-
Yeah,
hurting
he's
yourself?
being a parent.
They're gonna give you
Oklahoma, about 31 miles is a huge.
Architecturally, this little town, it's gorgeous. Look at all the moldings. You guys had a long day. You ran the route? I thought you were going on the 44.
Well, once everybody got onto 44, I did.
Oh,
But we had a
good.
few people still wanted to do
Oh,
as much
really?
as they could, which is okay.
Are the doors open? Are we allowed inside?
Same thing. What else can you do, huh?
I don't know. I just woke up. What was that? I don't even know where we are.
We are in Red Oaks too.
Okay.
Did
Oh,
you
Red
not
Oak.
Yeah. So this town.
I
is
fell
this guy,
asleep.
This was his guy's hometown, and he came back and he moved some of the buildings out of
Oh,
his hometown.
okay.
His father worked in that store. There's a blacksmith where him and his great
Okay.
grandfather worked.
Well-
and he just moved all the little buildings.
Okay, he needs to fund this by having a gift shop.
And this was Suzanne House.
Oh, that was his outhouse. Is he funding this with a gift shop?
Are they closed today? Is that
Howdy. Are you the gentleman who put all the buildings here?
No, I just work here.
You just work here. Oh, see, you would have told me anything. I would have believed you. Huh. What time they used to still teach abacus. The calculator. Look at that.
I know. Did you ever learn how to use that?
My dad did nuclear engineering calculations in one of these.
On that?
Yes.
Do you know how to use it?
Not a clue. He never
don't
taught.
know.
He never taught me.
I have no idea either. It's like I don't know how to do a slide rule either.
Oh, that I do know. Oh, it does swing.
And then you would get run and make it, and then you would ride on it like a carnival ride.
Oh, that's one I don't know.
But these are buildings that were in Red Oak that he was able to move over here,
Okay.
and then he restored them to show what life was like in that time period.
Okay, the person who put all this here, his wife is still alive, who is a Filipina from Manila. So, in the middle of Missouri, I am speaking my native tongue.
Jeremy, you need to talk to Connie Joe. She's our tour director, and she's probably
Well, send them my way. I love doing it. I did run the to the boot before, but right now I'm doing it. That's our shop here. We don't have a key for it.
And there's a line. Oh, there's a market. It's a market. Oh, we have a menu?
Yeah. Just enough. There might be another one.
And there's a checklist. Is there a checklist?
Give us yeah. Give us that. So, I don't know.
I think so.
I just got it handed to me.
Yeah, we need to get a pen out and mark it up.
A pen?
Well, I don't have any writing implement. It's in the.
The other inspiration in this area besides our building is this building across the street. Back in the day, this was a White Rose gas station owned by a gentleman named Bradshaw. I know this because my husband was born here. I'm from Joplin. He had to marry outside the city limits to marry somebody not related. That's how small we are. I can even prove it a little bit more. I was the city clerk of Galena, and my husband was the chief of police, so we are very small. Anyway, on the north side, there's what us roadies call ghost riding. What that is faded advertisement from years coming by that keeps seeping through. So they use that ghost riding as the inspiration for Welcome to Radiator Springs, a happy place.
Why does it say
You see
Kansas?
it most when
We're in
Mayor
Kansas.
is
We're in Kansas?
Lightning McQueen,
Oh,
and he says, you owe me
we're in
$32,000.
Kansas.
$32,000.
When did we get to Kansas? I fell asleep again. Oh dear Lord.
Now I know these things because Michael Wallace is also authorized to write the book Smarter Car, which has all the inspirations of everything that makes all
You can trust your car to the man who wears the star, the big, bright Texaco star!
Yay! Baxter Springs, first cowtown, Kansas. Okay, that is Lee, and we're Sally. There's Sally. We are at Ice Cream Parlor and Superman. Oh, wait, there's a sign. Ice Cream Parlor and Superman Museum.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, no problem.
Here we go.
Good morning, and welcome to Wandering Wanda. I'm Ariel. Today we are at Pea Ridge National Military Park in Pea Ridge, Arkansas. On March 7th and 8th, 1862, nearly 26,000 soldiers fought to determine whether Missouri would remain under Union control and whether or not federal armies could continue their offensive south through the Mississippi River Valley. The battle saved Missouri for the Union. So far I have driven by maybe 5 dozen of these windmills, and not one single one is turning. Not one. It's just one big energy scam. Today we are at Fort Scott National Historic Site in Fort Scott, Kansas. The chain of events that encircled Fort Scott from 1842 to 1873 range from the opening of the West to the expansion of railroads. The site structures and parade ground bear witness to the time when the country was forged from the young republic into a united transcontinental nation. There are several historic homes here and also an adorable little downtown area, or at least it looks like it's about 1 block long. So we are going to do the historical homes, maybe 1 or 2, and then go to their little downtown area. It looks adorable. Maybe I'm gonna have lunch there. I'm hungry now.
Ordinarily, all of them that are labeled like this in the white block letters are open.
Okay.
Well, that's everything you see except for these 2 right here.
Okay.
But right now, unfortunately, we've got some work going on in these buildings.
Okay, so
And
which
we're
one
closed here, here.
Okay. So which one is open?
Well, the ones that are closed will have a placard out in front.
Okay.
Sign saying that it's closed.
There are pieces of wood about this long. There were kind of a horn on either end of it, and you'd put that up to their chest and on your ear.
Okay, other than the hospital and visitor center is the only building open. All the other buildings are closed for construction. That's why they have ropes in all of them. So we cannot go into any of the buildings. Alright, we are here at Fort Scott having lunch at La Hacienda. And we're gonna have carnitas. Alright, we are at Valvoline getting our very first oil change. So probably every 5 to 7,000 miles. It's gonna be about $200 for an oil change. Okay, here we are at Route 66 Drive-In. We are seeing the Wild Robot and Transformers 1. We are on Route 66, and this is a classic drive-in. The last time I was at a drive-in theater was with my parents. I think I was 9 or 8 years old. It was at the Cow Palace Drive-In up in San Francisco, and I don't even remember what movie it was. The reason why we never did it again was Mom did not like food in the car. Essentially, that's what it came down to. My parents didn't like food in the car because it was making a mess and there was no one there to clean it but them. So we never did it again. Right, I don't know if I'm staying for the movie or not. It's been a long day. Did 2 national parks. I did not realize that admission is per person, not per car. So it's $10 for adults. Ew, age 13 and older.
We stopped by
But that's for 2 movies.
Cuba.
So
yeah.
such a deal.
No, I walked.
It is.
And people bring their own food.
What's nice? Okay, what's nice about this? I never thought about. This is a perfect venue for children.
Oh, it's great.
They can yell and scream, and you lock them up in the
They can-
car,
we have a-
or
we have a playground down front.
what you can do is just reach from behind and smack them.
Oh, yeah, and that's the best part.
Oh, really?
And nobody cares that.
No, I don't. Okay, we're setting our stereo at 106.5. And no alcoholic beverages. So it's actually a good thing that I didn't go back to the rig. Because we were going to get libations if we went back to the rig. Hello, Judy. At least the popcorn doesn't taste like it's from 1800s. Oh, look at that! They have a footrest.
I know. Hey, first class for us.
And it's matchy-matchy.
I know.
Now, what's the Trojan?
Spartan.
It's a Spartan.
A Spartan.
And that's
Michigan State.
Thank you.
Oh, it says it down here on the bottom. Yeah, it's kind of covered up.